of their new elected president. So our South African government gave this post and Thanksgiving. His Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa, joined by former President Thabo Mbeki and former Deputy President Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka, congratulate her, Excellency President Netembo Nandi-Ndaitwah, as the 5th President of the Republic of Namibia during the inauguration ceremony held at the State House in Windhoek, Republic of Namibia. So, as this post was saying these things and I was reading this, I picked something to say that there's something missing here. How is it that former President Thabo Mbeki is recognized, but Jacob Zuma is not there? Former Deputy President Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka, she's been